Let's have a look at how to record any audio from your browser on your Mac. First of all, it's important for you to understand that for this very purpose you actually need a virtual audio driver on Mac. But this is very easy. Simply go to litpads.app/litlink and then download this free virtual audio driver right here. Just click on download free, install the package and then open it up. You will then arrive at this lovely interface right here. And now to record any audio from your browser on Mac, all that is left for you to do is to make sure that here where it says System Audio Pass-Through, this is actually toggled on. In my case, mic pass-through here is also toggled on, but that's only because I'm currently recording this video. In your case, if you just want to record audio from your browser and nothing else, all you need here is System Audio Pass-Through. Now, with that set up, there is only one last step for you to take, and that is to come here to recording on the left side, then make sure that mixed here is selected, and in your case, if you just have System Audio Pass-Through toggled on, the third row here, only System Audio On should actually be highlighted. And once that is the case, simply click here on record. And now whatever audio you're playing in your browser will be recorded. So let's give this a try real quick. So I'm just going to play the cyberpunk music mix here on YouTube, but you could play whatever you want in your browser. It doesn't need to be on YouTube, of course. So let me just play this real quick. And now let's go back to LitLink and stop our recording right here. And let's give it a name and click on save. Our audio has now been saved. You can then open it up in any audio software as usual, or you can also right click on your recording, then go to open with and open it up in LitLink itself, because it also comes with a free audio editor. So let's open it up and here's our recording. In my case, as I explained before, because I also had mic pass-through on, my recording here also includes the mic. But in your case, if you have mic pass-through toggled off and only System Audio Pass-Through toggled on, the only thing that will be contained in your audio will be actually the audio that you played in your browser. And that's it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. Have a good one. Bye.